Cleaning tips using baking soda. Welcome to FastKlean's eco-friendly channel. Here we offer different videos that can help you live a healthy and green life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Baking soda serves other purposes aside from being an essential ingredient in Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. It is an effective abrasive and an excellent natural deodorizer. It possesses the power to clean and freshen up different spots in your house. It's an effective yet super gentle cleaner, unlike other conventional commercial products today. It can help get rid of stains from your plastic food containers. All you need to do is wipe it with a sponge with baking soda. It can refresh your foul-smelling refrigerator. It is effective at absorbing strong food scents so they don't affect the smell or odor of other foods inside the fridge. You can also use it to clean fruits and vegetables you bought from the store. The produce you purchase from the supermarket usually has a waxy coating. You can remove it and dirt by washing the produce with water mixed with baking soda. Water and baking soda. Make a water and baking soda solution and use it to scrub down your kitchen countertops and stainless steel sinks. You can also use the baking soda treatment to clean your range hoods, microwaves, and cooking utensils. Do you have problems with stuck-on grease on your pans and dishes? Soak them in hot water, use baking soda, and give them a good scrub. Once done, you'll be amazed at how clean your pans and dishes are. You can also give your dishwasher a good clean with baking soda. Mix water and baking soda in a microwave-safe bowl and heat it for 2 minutes. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Spritz the content in the interior of your dishwasher and then wipe it clean using a microfiber cloth. Do your sponges smell stale? You can easily freshen these kitchen staples by soaking them in a water and baking soda solution. You can also use baking soda to deodorize musty upholstery. Get rid of the weird stench by sprinkling baking soda on your upholstery. Just be sure to let it sit for 15 minutes and then vacuum it. You can also do this on your mattress, the beds of your pets, get rid of mildew from your bathrooms, remove crayon marks on your walls, and brighten up your dingy laundry. You can also declog a drain by pouring baking soda followed by vinegar. Did you know that you can also clean your shoes with baking soda? If you own at least one, then you know how difficult it is to clean. Worry no more. All you need is a tablespoon of baking soda, a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar mixed together. Grab a clean cloth or toothbrush and use to rub the mixture onto your shoes. You can also use it to eliminate awful garbage can odors, clean oil spills in your garage, tidy up your messy grill. It is also a good cleaning solution for dirty patio furniture, stinky closets, and white water rings. If you have tarnished silver jewelry, you can use baking soda to brighten it up and make it look brand new. Check out our other cleaning tips where lemons are used as a home cleaner. Check the links in the description below.